7 Essential Design Elements for a Stylish and Organized Entryway. When it comes to getting organized in any space, finding space for wall hooks is vital. This is especially important in entryways, which are usually populated by small objects such as keys and outdoor gear such as coats, hats, and umbrellas. Hooks can work in even the smallest alcove, helping to declutter the floors. There are many sizes, shapes, and styles of hooks out there for you to choose from. However, there are a few designs such as the two-prong and circular styles of hooks that tend to be the best at holding a myriad of items. If you want a similar look to these circular hooks, the dots hooks, designed by Lars Torna, are sold at Mudo. These hooks are made from solid ash and oak. They come in a variety of colors, and with proper wall anchors should be able to hold even your heaviest winter jackets with no problem. An inexpensive alternative to these hooks would be the IKEA PS 2014 knobs. You can get 4 knobs for only $10, and with a little creativity, recreate this look at a low price, with a big wow factor. Proper seating is a tried and true staple of any good entryway. In your space, finding the right bench is key to creating a room that is not only organized but comfortable and inviting as well. Wooden benches are often used in entryways and mudrooms because they're easy to clean, you don't have to worry about the hassle of wet upholstery, and they are very durable. Cubbies are another popular and far more flexible option for keeping your space tidy. These little cubes can come in a myriad of colors and sizes, and the configurations are endless. The best part about Cubbies is that if you have a small room, simply stacking a few together will suffice, and the look can be tailored to your space. The way basic eco storage cubes come in a ton of sizes and colorways. They're also pretty inexpensive, so you can afford to get creative. If out of sight, out of mind is your mantra, then having closed storage for your shoes is going to make you very happy. When looking to buy shoe storage for your entryway, make sure it is not too deep and it can hold enough shoes to ensure that you will not need to have any other shoes on the floor, except maybe boots. The stall shoe cabinet from IKEA is a great option. It is only 7 inches deep and can hold a minimum of 8 pairs of shoes. If you have the wall space for it, think about integrating a mirror into your entryway or mudroom. It's always good to have that final look before you walk out the door to catch any last-minute snaffus. The custom color infinity mirror from Room and Board or the metal-framed mirror in antique brass from West Elm are 2 great options if you want this look in your home. No matter how many other pieces you have in place, the fact is that an entryway is only as good as its rug. People want rugs that look good and show some personality when they walk into their homes. However, for this high-traffic area, durability is just as important as style, so this might not be the place for your favorite, fragile antique. You will need to look for a rug that can stand up to the elements and people using them to get the elements off of their boots and shoes. The rug will need to be easy to clean with good traction to avoid slips. Consider the wool rug from Studio Matsala Interiors as a stylish option for your entryway. A wool rug is always a good choice as it reduces noise and naturally resists dirt. Every space in the home could benefit from a basket, and nowhere is this truer than in the entryway. Use floor baskets as catch-alls for accessories such as umbrellas, gloves, and tote bags. And whenever guests come over and there just aren't enough hooks or spaces on the wall, an extra basket will always come in handy. Check out the baskets from CB2, as it has stylish pieces that will blend in nicely with any number of interiors. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.